Are you tired of long hours spent hunched over your desk, feeling the strain in your back and neck? You're not alone. As remote work continues to rise, so does the importance of creating a healthier workspace. Enter the Standing Desk, a popular solution designed to enhance productivity and well-being. With a plethora of options on the market, choosing the best standing desk to suit your needs can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best standing desks available today, highlighting their key features, benefits, and what to consider before making a purchase. Elevate your work environment and discover a more dynamic way to work. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Flexispot E2 Pro, our pick for best budget standing desk. When choosing a desk, it's hard to ignore the price difference between standing desks and traditional models. The Flexispot E2 Pro offers an accessible entry point into the world of standing desks, providing essential features without straining your budget. With this model, you get more than just a desk. You're investing in your health and productivity. The E2 Pro features an advanced control panel equipped with USB ports for convenient charging and allows you to save up to 4 height presets. Imagine being able to effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions at the touch of a button. The smooth and quiet elevation, moving at 1 inch per second, makes transitions seamless. You'll appreciate the spacious desktop that accommodates dual monitors along with all your essential supplies, creating an organized and efficient workspace. Plus, even at this price point, the design remains stylish and modern, addressing a common concern with budget-friendly standing desks. If you're committed to enhancing your work environment and fostering a healthier balance between sitting and standing, the Flexispot E2 Pro could be an ideal choice for you. By choosing a standing desk, you're not merely upgrading your furniture. You're making a lasting investment in your comfort and productivity. Transform your workspace today and experience the difference a well-designed desk can make in your daily routine. Number 4. Vari Electric, our pick for best standing desk for quick assembly. The Vari Electric desk is designed to enhance your home office experience with 3 width options to cater to your specific needs. Setting it up is a breeze and can be accomplished in minutes using the 2 included Allen wrenches. With T-style legs housing dual motors, you can easily adjust the desk's height between 25-inch and 50.5-inch, accommodating various working positions. This desk boasts a modern aesthetic, featuring a sturdy powder-coated steel frame paired with a durable laminate desktop that complements any office decor. While the built-in cable management may be basic for more complex setups, it remains functional for standard workstations. If you desire a tidier workspace, consider exploring additional cable management accessories from Vari. In terms of performance, you'll appreciate the desk's smooth and quiet height adjustments, making it an excellent choice for both home and co-working spaces. It handles heavy loads, including multiple monitors and office equipment, without wobbling or compromising stability. While the desk itself lacks extravagant features, it does include a convenient 4-height preset controller for quick adjustments. Vari provides a range of optional accessories like cable trays and file cabinets to further enhance your workspace. Investing in this desk not only meets your immediate needs, but expands your workspace's potential for the long run. Number 3. Seville Classics Airlift, our pick for best electric standing desk. The Seville Classics Airlift table is a standing desk designed to transform your workspace and enhance your productivity. With an impressive height range that extends to 46.5 inches, this desk allows you to alternate between sitting and standing effortlessly. The touch-sensitive control panel is user-friendly and responsive, letting you quickly adjust to your preferred height. You'll appreciate the 3 programmable height presets for those moments when you forget to take a break. Plus, the safety lock feature ensures stability so you can concentrate on your tasks without worry. Organize your essentials with the shallow drawer, which offers both convenience and security with its felt lining and locking mechanism. Need to charge your devices? The 2 built-in USB ports have you covered, keeping you powered throughout your workday. The sleek tempered glass top not only adds a modern touch, but also provides a functional surface for jotting down ideas with dry erase markers. Just keep in mind it may require a bit of maintenance. Fingerprints tend to show up. As for assembly, you'll be pleased to know that it can be done in about 30 minutes thanks to pre-assembled legs that eliminate heavy lifting. However, be careful when moving it, as the glass adds some weight. Elevate your office experience with the Seville Classics Airlift table, your ideal companion for a productive work environment. Number 2. VIVO K Series, our pick for best converter standing desk. If you love your current desk but want the flexibility to stand while you work, a standing desk converter could be the perfect solution for you. Enter the VIVO K Series, a top choice for transforming your workspace with ease. Instead of investing in a whole new desk, this convenient device allows you to adjust your setup to the ideal height without breaking a sweat. Available in a versatile range of widths from 26 to 42 inches, you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Many users find the 32-inch version spacious enough to accommodate a laptop, a monitor, and even some snacks for those long work sessions. The X-shaped frame design ensures that the converter lifts smoothly straight up and down, making it an excellent option for compact spaces. One of the standout features of the VIVO K series is the variety of 6 stylish colors available, allowing you to select one that complements your workspace aesthetic. The rounded edges and curved keyboard level add a touch of elegance that enhances the overall look. While assembly might take some time, expect around 15 minutes, it's a relatively straightforward process. With a little patience, you'll be ready to embrace a healthier working posture and boost your productivity. So, why wait? Elevate your workspace today and enjoy the benefits of both sitting and standing while you work. Number 1. Flexispot Comhar, our pick for best standing desk overall. If you're searching for the ultimate desk to enhance your workspace, the Flexispot Comhar is an excellent choice. This desk not only improves your work experience, but also boasts a modern design that fits seamlessly into any office environment. With a smooth height adjustment feature, you can effortlessly switch from sitting to standing. Up to 47.6 inches, allowing you to maintain a healthier posture throughout the day. Setting it up is straightforward and can be completed in just 15 minutes, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters: your work. Once assembled, the desk is sturdy and has shown remarkable durability even after 1.5 years of use. Plus, the added perks include built-in USB cables and a charging port, ensuring your devices are always powered. A child lock is a thoughtful addition for families, providing peace of mind when little ones are around. With options in 48 or 55 inches and styles in glass or wood, there's a perfect fit for your personal taste. Just a note to keep in mind: the desk has a weight capacity of 110 pounds. So if you have an extensive collection of gadgets, you may want to consider your needs. For the majority of users, the Flexispot Comhar is poised to become your essential workspace companion, making your daily tasks more organized and enjoyable. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which standing desk you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.